car,
Men.
car,
Men.
car.
Men.
What do you think? Who will win? A car or men? This video is going to be very interesting for you. A tug of war. A tug of war between car and men. This car is powered by 1.5 liter petrol engine that makes 77 bhp of power and weighs 1.1 ton. What do you think? The 77 horses or just 10 or 12 men?
I will win.
Oh, I have 77 horses.
I
You just
have a 10 guys.
Oh,
So I
Okay.
will win.
let's see. Click the I button and vote who will win. Subscribe to this channel and watch till the end.
Come on. Ready?
3,
2.
2, 1, start.
Go! Yeah! Ready? Go! Get it Go!
So what exactly happened? The car has won 3 rounds, men has won 1 round and both had a tie in the final round. Both the car and men performed well, but the rope has failed in the final round. Hope you enjoyed this video, and behind the scene of this video will be uploaded soon. So subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching and stay safe.